guys, Kara here with Colton RV here in Orchard Park, New York. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 inTech Flyer Explorer toy hauler. We'll start right up front here. Coming right up front, you have this pretty large storage compartment which houses your battery and power cord. And it locks, which is always nice. You do have a small prep table here, as well as a slide-out kitchen with a Dometic cooktop and a Dometic electric cooler. Come around here, you do have an entry door and manual awning. You got some pretty rugged off-road tires. And then coming around here to the loading ramp, you can actually load dirt bikes or whatever right up here. Perfect for weekends out at like an ATV park. You do have all your hookups and exhaust here. And then you do have the water hookups. And then back to the front, we do have a 20-pound propane tank. Let's come inside. As you can see, we have actually quite a bit of headroom. Coming inside, you do have all of your controls right here at the entry door. And then you have your thermostat, as well as a control for the vent fan. Coming over here, this camper offers quite a bit in the way of storage. So you have some storage compartments here. Here, you have a built-in radio. You have overhead storage. And then coming right in here, you have a nice big cubby. Coming around here, this is actually the tip-out bed that it comes with. And it does come with this cover, so that way you do have a little bit of privacy at night. Perfect for two people on the go. And then coming over here, you do have some light controls for the exterior as well on the loading ramp. All right, so actually coming down here to the ramp floor, you do have tie downs throughout the entire coach. So if you bring a dirt bike or two up in here, you don't have to worry about them tipping over. This unit is pretty lightweight and can be towed by most small pickups, maybe even some SUVs. So if you have any questions about this, give me a call, 716-957-3250, extension 343.